everyone, this is Jing from TECHMIZE. Today we'll introduce you the TECHMIZE TH2829X series automatic transformer test system. This instrument is equipped with a 7-inch TFT LED screen. Its operation is simple and easy to use, with a refreshing and beautiful display interface. It has a testing frequency of up to 1 mHz, resolution of 0.5 mHz, signal level ranging from 5 mV to 2 V. TH2829X features a built-in 0 to 100 mA, 0 to 10 V bias power supply, and optional 1 amp, 2 amp bias current source. The testing speed can reach up to 75 times per second. Internally, it can store 100 sets of configuration files, and externally, it can store 500 sets of configuration files, CSV format test data, and GIF format images on a USB drive. It enables meticulous testing for your needs. In today's video, we will demonstrate the TH2829AX Automatic Transformer Comprehensive Test System, testing a transformer with 2 windings. Friends with transformer testing needs should not miss this video. Connect the transformer and the test piece. Connect the scanning box to the main unit. Plug TH1901L into the slot at the bottom right of the front panel. Connect one end of TH26016 transformer test control cable to the back of TH1901B scanning box, and the other end to the back panel of the instrument. Insert the transformer coil into the TH1901B board and secure the transformer pins with locking device. Transformer scanning settings. Turn on the power switch. Press System button to enter the system setting. Move the cursor to the instrument functions. Select Transformer Scanning. Press Setup to enter the transformer numbering interface. Rotate the knob to the transformer name position. Press button 1, then press Enter key. Define the project name as 1. You can also customize the project name as you need. Rotate the knob to the primary group position. Set it to 1 group. Rotate the knob to the secondary group position. Set it to 1 group. Set the number of groups based on the transformer you are using. Set the continuous scanning interval as needed and set the scan result display to all. The settings for defective retest times, DCR test delay, DCR result delay, bias current test delay, and scan trigger delay can be adjusted based on your needs. Typically, they remain at default settings. Set the ignore nominal value to false test. This mode does not require setting nominal values and is used when we are not familiar with the tested transformer product. The cylinder power control defaults to on. Click Pin Setting to enter the transformer pin setting interface. Click the Pin Correlation button to enter the transformer pin correlation interface. Set the directions as counterclockwise, using the default values for scanning box, and set the correlation to manual, and set the total number of transformer pins to 4. Rotate the knob to the data table. The outermost numbers represent the transformer pins, and the numbers inside the tables are the custom labels. For example, 1 corresponds to pin 1, 2 corresponds to pin 4, 3 corresponds to pin 17, and 4 corresponds to pin 20. Once set, it is completed. Click the Exit button to enter the transformer pin setting interface. PRI represents the primary and SEC represents the secondary. Based on the requirements in the transformer manual, we will enter the primary and secondary pin settings. Here we set the plus of primary transformer to 1 and minus to 2, and the plus of secondary to 4 and the minus to 3. Next, click Test Condition to enter the transformer test condition interface. Click the right direction key to select the frequency and set it to the appropriate value. For example, here we set it to 10 kHz and the level is set to 1 volt. After setting the frequency and level, click the right direction key to the 4th column to select the parameters we want to measure. Enable the function for turn, number of turns, LX, inductance, and DCR, DC resistance. Click On. If the setting is successful, there will be a check mark before the number. After all settings are completed, click the display key to return to the main page. Then press trigger to start the test. After the instrument is set in force test mode, set the nominal test in the upper right corner of the display page to on, click trigger, and then instrument will automatically add the nominal value. Click Setup to enter the instrument number interface, then click Test Conditions to enter the transformer test condition interface. Select Turn and click Limit Setting to enter the turn ratio limit setting interface. Change the limit mode in the upper right corner to percentage mode. The upper and lower limits of the primary winding's number of turns are not required to set, and the upper and lower limits of the secondary windings are set to negative to positive 10%. Click Exit to return on the transformer test condition interface. Select LX and click Limit Setting to enter the LX limit setting interface. Change the limit mode in the upper right corner to percentage mode and set the upper and lower limits of the primary and secondary windings to negative to positive 10%. Click Exit to return to the transformer test condition interface. Select DCR and click Limit Setting to enter the DCR limit setting interface. Change the limit mode in the upper right corner to percentage mode and set the upper and lower limits of the primary and secondary windings to 10%. After setting the limit, click Display and press Trigger to measure. Here is the sharing of today. If you still have questions, please leave your comment in the comment box. Thank you.